Hello everybody and welcome to my update test. Today I'm going to be trying to clean this tumble dryer. It is a Bosch classicx 7 tumble dryer, 7 kilograms with many stuff. So first things first is to get out this, because this is where all the dust hides. Oh my goodness, look at that. What you need to do is to just get it off with your hands.
And if we're not in here, guys, we're back in 138.
Just to get rid of this dust off.
No, I should leave it there. Don't worry. Just do whatever you want. Just whatever is great.
Use a cloth maybe to vigorously brush off the excess, and then you put it back on. Should come back on with a clip like that. Now, watch this, because I'm going to need to use this all-purpose cleaner. And all this cleans the and this cleans the insides. Just get some dust in the sides. That's a lot of dust can fall from it, because it doesn't really be very clean. You can try to get some dirt out here as much as possible using this as well. So just show you that part that you can get some dirt out there. And then, of course, that would do. So after that, what you do is just put on one of those, press this button as a test, and then turn off. So that's a good, so that's working perfectly. So thank you for watching my update test, and I'll see you next time, slugheads.